10 Early Symptoms of Diabetes You Need to Know. Hi, and welcome to this video. Diabetes is a common condition that affects how your body processes sugar. If left untreated, it can lead to serious health problems. That's why it's important to be aware of the early symptoms of diabetes, so you can get treatment as soon as possible. Here are the top 10 symptoms you need to know. Increased thirst. If you find yourself constantly feeling thirsty, it could be a sign of diabetes. Frequent urination. When your body has too much sugar in the blood, it can cause you to urinate more frequently. Hunger. If you have diabetes, you may feel hungry even after eating a meal. This is because your body is not able to use the sugar in your blood effectively. Weight loss. Diabetes can cause you to lose weight, even if you're eating more than usual. This is because your body is not able to use the sugar in your blood for energy. Fatigue. If you're feeling tired all the time, it could be a sign of diabetes. This is because your body is not able to use the sugar in your blood effectively, leading to a lack of energy. Dry mouth. Diabetes can cause your mouth to feel dry, even if you're drinking plenty of fluids. Blurred vision. High levels of sugar in the blood can cause changes in the shape of the eye, leading to blurred vision. Slow healing. If you have diabetes, you may find that cuts and bruises take longer to heal. This is because high sugar levels can affect your body's ability to fight infection. Numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. High sugar levels can cause nerve damage, leading to numbness or tingling in the extremities. Yeast infections. Women with diabetes are more prone to yeast infections, which can cause itching, burning, and discharge. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to see a doctor as soon as possible. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent complications from diabetes.